the today's function. Ajay Kahalkar sir from the Plant Quality Head Tata Advanced System Limited is my good friend, and we have started our journey from the same college, that is the Priyadarshini College of Engineering, and currently the principal of this institute and president of the function, Dr. S.B. Deshpande sir, Dr. Bodne sir, and Dr. Mandavgade sir, Bankar sir, coordinators of this program, all the faculty members participating in this activity, and all the students. Let me congratulate the institute, because what Dr. S.P. Deshpande sir has told you, that the Atal Academy proposals has to go through the rigorous scrutiny process. Okay, I am not involved in this process, but for other projects of the AICTE like MODROP, RPS, I am involved as an expert, wherein we are expected to assess the proposals of the institution in online mode only for the AICTE and provide the comment. So let us congratulate them, okay, because getting the AICTE proposal to the institute, it is itself is a creditable thing. Dr. Mandavgade, Dr. Bodne and Bankar sir and all mechanical engineering faculty member under the guidance of principal of this institute, Dr. Deshpande sir, they have submitted the proposal, and finally you got selected. Yesterday only I have seen the list of the selected institute in Nagpur and other institutes. So you are amongst the prominent institutions, those who have been selected by the AICTE to carry out this Atal Academy FDP program at your institute. As sir was telling, that format of this program is totally different than the conventional STTP, short-term training program, or conventional FDPs, which was organized by the AICTE, DST and other agencies. So naturally you have a rigorous task over here, that assignment will be there, article discussions will be there. So your participation in this activity, it is more important. And the topic chosen by the institute is also very relevant in the today's generation. Ajay Kahalkar sir may agree with me that the today's generation who is coming into the industry also, they are of different nature. Particularly those who have attained the age of 40-45, what we can say, that they put up their sincere and dedicated efforts into the industry, and the generation which are coming up right now, okay, they are not so serious about their career and life, as well as they are not serious, or sincere efforts are not being there in the industry. So therefore productivity improvement is one of the tasks which is being required for each and every individual, wherein you need to skill yourself, and skilling, reskilling, it is a part of the life, it is a part of your career. Somebody has said that throughout life we are the learners. मीन्स ऐसा कभी दिन नहीं आता है कि जब हम सोचेंगे कि हमारा नॉलेज पूरा हो गया है, या फिर हमने सब कुछ हासिल कर लिया है, अभी हमें कुछ भी हासिल करने की ज़रूरत नहीं. इफ़ यू आर इन द इंडस्ट्री, इफ़ यू आर इन द एकेडमिक इंस्टीट्यूशन, okay, you have to be always learner. Every day you will be facing a different kind of problems, and you have to find, as an engineer, you have to find a solution to this problem, because you are a solution provider. You have to find out the solution which is the optimum. So महाभारत में बताया गया था कि जैसे ही वो युद्ध चल रहा था, और फिर जो है भगवान श्री कृष्ण ने, है ना, सबके लिए 24 घंटे हैं, मतलब 12 घंटे के बाद जो है वो रात हो जाएगी, तो चंद्र को आने से रोक दिया था और युद्ध खत्म किया था उसी दिन. सो फॉर यू पीपल, फॉर मी, फॉर एवरीबडी, देयर आर 24 hours a day. Okay, then in 24 hours a day, how to do our work very effectively and in a productive manner is nothing but your productivity. And in today's arena, basically the smart work is important. अब स्मार्ट वर्क की डेफिनेशन लोग ये लेते हैं कि कि स्मार्ट वर्क मतलब दूसरे ने किसी ने काम किया है उसमें अपना नंबर अपना नाम छपा देना उसका क्रेडिट लेना. दिस इज नॉट अ स्मार्ट वर्क. Okay, smart work is not snatching the credit of others, but you have to see that how you can eliminate some time which is wasted in unnecessary activities. Three of my project batches at Shegao Engineering College, they work for the industry like Mahindra and Mahindra Nagpur, then Purolator India Limited at Gurgaon, and Kirloskar Cummins Limited at Pune, wherein we have tried to reduce down the cycle time of the operation of the manufacturing of the product, and which has resulted in the productivity improvement and the production rate was increased. So there are certain activities because of which you are also habituate of this thing, and these activities may be killing your time. So try to see that these time spent on these activities, okay, it should be minimum.